can do that. That $100,000 just gave you somewhere between $250,000 or $350,000 deduction if you just do a cost seg. Or if you do a purchase price allocation, you can't always do it, but we'll get to that again in a different episode. Now you're saving $700,000 of a deduction, not taxes, but it reduces your income by more cash flow that comes out. So for people that are in the 37% federal tax bracket, now that we have 100% bonus depreciation back, your 10% down can actually be less than you get in tax savings. You can get a bigger refund that covers your 10% down.
You get paid to buy real estate.
Yes.
Because that's the whole thing with tax is I don't care if you put 50% down on this is a tax play, but if you put 50% down or if you put 10% down, your tax savings are exactly the same. It doesn't matter how much in cash you put down versus how much you leverage. Now we want to be careful that we don't over leverage and wake up one day in millions of dollars of debt, but that's something you got to manage your own personal finances with.
Oh, no, I just want to point out, it's okay to have $1 million in debt, millions of dollars in debt, as long as you have a lot more in equity. That's okay.
Yes,
That's
if
okay.
equity's going up and your cash flowing,
yes, absolutely.
But whether you finance it or put cash down, you're depreciating the cost of the short-term rental or the property. So let's put as little cash as we can. So long, but we also have to walk through cash flow on a monthly basis and make sure, the less you put down, the more you're going to have to actually rent that property out to cover the mortgage, to cover taxes, expenses, and things like that. So
yeah, the numbers always have to work. The numbers always have to work. But what I've seen is the opportunity that's been created because of the 10% down is not as intimidating as a number.
It's a lower hurdle to jump over.
It's a lower point of entry. It's a smaller barrier, and people just can walk into these deals feeling more comfortable that they're able to keep more money in their back pocket. So, they're able to, really be aggressive with setting up the property they want to, or maybe they're keeping it to do another one. But yeah, to go from this mindset of I need this with a 20% down payment to now I've got something that is very comfortable for me, really puts people in that position where they feel like they can take action. And ultimately, it's good to see people have kind of an idea of what they want to do, but now they see that it's feasible, they're moving forward. So that's really been fun to see over the years, is just people taking action because now they have this doorway they can walk through versus they feel like they're kind of stumbling, climbing up a mountain.